and welcome to the Met Office, where science meets service. My name is Honor Criswick. I'm a meteorologist and presenter here at the Met Office. As the UK's National Meteorological Service, we provide essential weather and climate information that helps people stay safe and thrive. Let's dive into the heart of the UK's National Meteorological Service. Our mission is to deliver the most trusted weather and climate intelligence in a radically changing world. With cutting-edge supercomputers, satellite and radar data, and global observation networks, we turn raw data into life-saving forecasts. Welcome to the Met Office Library. Here the science of weather truly comes to life. This space celebrates the evolution of meteorology from life-saving maritime signals to global forecasting systems we rely on today. Our journey begins in 1853 with pioneers like Matthew Fontaine Maury and James Glaisher, who started collecting and standardising weather data. Their efforts led to the first International Meteorological Conference in Brussels. In 1854, the Met Office was born under the leadership of Vice Admiral Robert Fitzroy. Fitzroy introduced barometers to fishing ports, developed storm warnings, and issued the world's first weather forecast. He even coined the term forecast. On display, you'll find early barometers, wind charts, storm cones, and telegraph equipment used to transmit urgent warnings. These innovations tell the story of a science dedicated to protecting lives, property, and the planet. Continue the tour to discover more about the modern technology we deploy. Let's move on to our next exciting stop. Welcome to Tour Stop 3. Here we explore the evolution of Met Office supercomputing. Until 2024, our forecasts were powered by the Cray XC40 supercomputer, a real giant delivering 15 petaflops of processing power. This enabled our detailed weather and climate models used across the globe. Now, we're pioneering a new era with the world's first cloud-based supercomputer dedicated to weather and climate science, built in partnership with Microsoft. This cloud-based system will drive the Momentum Earth Prediction Framework, revolutionising how the world predicts and responds to environmental challenges. Backed by £1.2 billion of UK government investment, our new supercomputer supports artificial intelligence and machine learning, enables faster, more detailed forecasts, and delivers insights from hours to decades ahead. This is more than an IT upgrade, it's a transformational leap, ensuring the UK remains at the forefront of scientific research and innovation. By 2025, we'll be fully in the cloud, faster, smarter, and ready to meet the world's most pressing environmental challenges. Thanks for joining us at Tour Stop 3. Let's move on to our next exciting stop. Here we are at Stop 4. Here we delve into how we observe the weather and climate 24/7. From the ocean floor to the edge of space, our observation systems are the eyes of the Met Office, powering every forecast and protecting communities. As the UK's representative to EUMETSAT, we access data from European and global satellite operators. Satellites provide wide global coverage, critical inputs for weather models, and real-time storm tracking and cloud mapping. We also run around 300 surface weather stations in the UK and overseas, measuring temperature, wind, rainfall, humidity, and pressure. Our current Met Office Service Operations Centre is being refurbished, but it's still 24/7 and the Centre for Real-Time Weather and Hazard Monitoring. This is where raw information becomes trusted forecasts, crafted with precision and delivered with urgency. Thanks for joining us on Stop 4. Let's move on to our next exciting stop. Welcome to Tour Stop 5. Here we explore the heart of the Met Office, the Service Operations Centre. Every minute we gather vast streams of global observations from satellites to ocean buoys. This data, combined with model outputs and human expertise, becomes a single clear weather story. Our Service Operations Centre hosts a range of expert teams, including the Flood Forecasting Centre, Aviation Services, Marine Meteorologists, and the Specialist Geospatial Centre for the Ministry of Defence. We also have a surface infrastructure team and a media team working with broadcasters to keep the public informed in real time. We issue around 500 national severe weather warnings each year, guiding everything from local council responses to national emergency plans. Our aviation data supports safe and efficient flights across the globe every year. Whether it's a winter storm, a solar flare, or a heat wave, our Service Operations Centre is ready. By combining cutting-edge technology with human expertise, we help safeguard lives, livelihoods, and critical national infrastructure. We don't just predict the weather, we also warn for space weather. Our teams monitor solar activity, volcanic ash clouds, and air pollution, providing crucial alerts that keep aircraft, satellites, and critical infrastructure safe. Thanks for joining us at Stop 5. Let's move on to our next exciting stop. This is Stop 6. Here we explore how the Met Office works with customers and partners to create a safer, smarter world. We don't just forecast the weather, we support decision-making across every sector of society. From national broadcasters and emergency responders to aviation, agriculture, government, and global industry, our expertise helps people plan, protect, and prepare. Trusted by millions, our forecasts reach the public through our popular app and website, and major PR campaigns like Weather Ready and Storm Naming keep communities informed and prepared. We deliver vital weather and climate intelligence to the UK government, defence and civil contingency planners, the aviation sector, health services and businesses navigating climate change and extreme weather. Beyond the UK, we work with international partners to forecast space weather, advance climate science and support global resilience. Did you know, every time you see a weather forecast on ITV, Channel 4, Sky News, Channel 5, GB News and more, they're all powered by the Met Office. We've also launched an exciting new partnership with the BBC, and with our work on YouTube, we now support all the most watched media channels in the UK. Thanks for joining us on Tour Stop 6. Let's move on to our next exciting stop. The Met Office isn't just about weather and climate, it's about people too. With on-site gyms, mental health support and a vibrant community, we're proud to be a great place to work. Our site is also a biodiversity haven with over 500 species identified by our staff ecologists. At the heart of the Met Office are our people. From world-class scientists to dedicated support teams, we're united by our purpose. Our strength lies in diversity, collaboration, and a commitment to making a positive difference in the world. Here we are at Stop 9. The Met Office is shaping the future of weather and climate intelligence through innovation and bold partnerships. With AI models and digital twins, we're predicting extreme weather with greater accuracy and supporting a resilient, low-carbon future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Met Office. Our work touches every part of life in the UK and beyond, supporting emergency responders, guiding pilots and farmers, and helping communities prepare for extreme weather. The weather never stops changing, and neither do we. Thank you for joining us on our virtual tour. We hope to see you in person very soon.